Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect fried egg for your bread. First, gather your simple ingredients. 1 large egg, a slice of bread, some butter or oil, and salt and pepper. Next, choose a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches for even cooking. Finally, get your bread ready, whether lightly toasted or fresh. Now let's get cooking. Place your pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Once melted, gently crack your egg directly into the pan, being careful to keep that yolk intact. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the whites to be fully set, but the yolk should remain wonderfully runny. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying these tips for a perfect fried egg, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of keeping things tidy after cooking, why not upgrade your clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is amazing for effortless tidiness. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, it's time to season it. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground pepper over the top. Then, carefully slide that beautiful fried egg onto your waiting slice of bread. For an extra touch, consider adding some avocado, cheese, or even a little hot sauce. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.